Niji Shakti Vai Bahubarat Anduchutushtayam Yidam Vibhagenam Shakti Hirmaya Prakriti Prithvi Jeti Prabhavidam Prabhunam. Prabhu now, Lord Shiva has Prabhavitam created. Four andas, four circles of this universe. Shaktand, Mayand, Prakritand and Prithvyand. Prithvyand is the lowest circle. And outside that there is another circle which is called Prakrityand. Outside that Prakrityand there is another circle which is called Mayand. Outside that there is a circle which is called Shaktiyant. So there are these four circles.
They're egg-shaped circles, are they not?
Nivritti Kala, Pratishtha Kala, Vidya Kala and Shanta Kala. Nivritti Kala is first. And I mean outside that, is Pratishtha Kala. And outside that is Vidya Kala. And outside that is Shanta Kala. These kalas are greater than each form. And the fifth is Shanta Kala. Nivritti Kala, Pratishtha Kala, Vidya Kala and Shanta Kala. Fifth is śāntātītā Kala. In śāntātītā Kala, there are no worlds. Śāntātītā bhuvanaiva. Śāntātītā Kala is without any world. There is no world, there is only glamour of Lord Shiva. There is no residence of anybody. Only this is residence of Lord Shiva.